The national leader of the Nigeria Democratic Congress (NDC), Senator Henry Seriake Dickson, has called on dissatisfied members of other political parties to join the movement, promising stability, clarity, and purposeful leadership. Dickson made the call while addressing members of the National Executive Committee of the party during its Maiden meeting held at its headquarters in Abuja.
Today, you have all joined us to make history. History for the democratic emancipation of the peoples of Nigeria. You have joined us to start a party that draws its strength not from the big people, but a party that draws its strength from God and from the peoples of Nigeria.
The meeting, which comes barely 1 month after the party's registration, recorded a strong turnout with members drawn from across the federation, reflecting Nigeria's ethnic and religious diversity. In a symbolic show of unity and national spread, members of the committee from various parts of the country took turns to introduce their respective states, highlighting the party's growing presence across regions. He commended Nigerians for their increasing support and rapid registration into the party, urging leaders at all levels, particularly state chairmen, to intensify grassroots mobilization and membership drive ahead of the registration deadline. At the meeting, the NEC confirmed the appointment of Moses Cleopas as national chairman and Ikenna Alex Morgan Enekwezu as national secretary, alongside other officers serving in an interim capacity pending the conduct of congresses. The committee also authorized the release of a comprehensive timetable for congresses at all levels, including national convention to elect substantive officers as well as party primaries ahead of the 2027 general elections. Describing the NDC as an ideological party built on inclusiveness and purpose, Dickson assured that the party has clear principles and structures to manage its growth and prevent internal crisis. He emphasized that individuals who feel sidelined or constrained in their current political parties now have an opportunity to be part of a new and credible platform. In a move to promote inclusion, the NEC also adopted an affirmative action policy aimed at increasing the participation of women, youths, and vulnerable groups in leadership and governance. State chairmen have been directed to ensure compliance, while the NEC will monitor implementation nationwide. The NDC leader further urged members to strengthen the party's base through grassroots engagement, noting that electoral success will depend on commitment at the polling unit, ward, and community levels rather than financial inducements. Speaking briefly with journalists after the meeting, the national chairman NDC, Moses Cleopas, expressed confidence in the party's direction, noting that the resolutions reached will strengthen its structure and position it for future electoral success.
We have been charged by our national leader the grace to be humble enough for accommodation. NDC is not a one-man party. NDC is not for one big man. NDC is not for one money-bagged man. NDC is for the high. NDC is for the low. NDC is for the rich. NDC is for those that are still trusting God for resources. And therefore, our GOCs, as our national leader has called them, who are our state chairmen, have been challenged to go out there and open their hands and go about telling Nigerians and bringing them on board that there is an ark of Noah in the political atmosphere of Nigeria by today. for those of us that are Christians. And the ark, any day, anytime, is for rescue. And so the NDC is the present political ark for the rescue of Nigerian democracy.
The Nigeria Democratic Congress says it remains committed to building a strong, inclusive political movement focused on national development and service to the people. My name is Benita Ibrahim, reporting for UTV Africa.